Marriage, much like athletics, isn't about winning every day. It's about partnership, communication, and committing to the long game. Today, Angel and Samantha begin that journey together, not as individuals, but as teammates, ready to face whatever comes their way. Angel, do you take Samantha to be your lawfully wedded spouse, to love, honor, and cherish through all the days of your life?
I do.
Samantha, do you take Angel to be your lawfully wedded spouse, to love, honor, and cherish through all the days of your life?
I do.
I, Angel, take you, Samantha, to be my spouse, to love you, to support you, to grow with you, and to stand by you for all the days of my life.
I, Samantha, take you, Angel, to be my spouse, to love you, to support you, to grow with you, and to stand by you for all the days of my life.
With this ring, I give you my promise and my love, today and always.
With this ring, I give you my promise and my love, today and always.
By the authority vested in me, and with the gratitude to God for the love you share, I now pronounce you married. Buddy, you may kiss your bride.
Sammy and I grew up together, and I'm so incredibly thankful to have had her there with me through it all. I still remember the first time I heard about Angel. We were 16, and I could see her excitement for this new cute baseball player in her life. He made her so happy, and I knew then how special he was for her.
Late last year, Buddy and I are in the car heading to a baseball game to umpire. Just like always, we're in the car talking politics, relationships, and all of our other favorite debating subjects. He tells me he's going to propose to Samantha, and along the conversation, he tells me how much Samantha reminds him of Betsy. I immediately started laughing. Samantha, we are so incredibly happy to welcome you to our family. The Camacho family can be loud, a little crazy at times, but I make the same commitment to you, John and Lisa, that I make to my children and Betsy. We will always be there to support and love you unconditionally, as our son makes that same commitment to you.
Live in the moment. Life is the fullest when you keep chasing down your dreams.
From my perspective and from my name, I try to be worthy of everything in my life every single day. I try to be the best man, the best partner, the best son, the best brother that I can be. And I want to continue to be that every day for you and for all of our family going forward.
In a world that can often feel filled with distractions and noise, may you always find peace, comfort, strength, and love in each other, and may your favorite place in the world be wherever you are together.
To Sammy and Angel, may your love always be as strong as it is today. May you keep choosing each other every single day. And may your story continue to be one that inspires everyone lucky enough to witness it. Love you guys.